You made it to day 5! Woo! I thought you needed a little bit of hype. I know it's been rough. So, day 5, we're looking at mass. Okay? In number 1, in order to get the most accurate measurement, it's always important to do what prior to using your triple beam balance. So if you have not ever used a triple beam balance, I'm gonna give you a little, they look like this, triple beam balance. They look like this, okay? Well, slowly, here we go. This is it, okay? This thing right here. Pretty cool, super simple. You're gonna see the pictures. You set your object here, and then you use these weights, you move these weights around to find the mass of your object. So, triple beam balance. What do you have to do before you use it? Well, you have to make sure that it's like zeroed, that it's torn, we call it tearing, that it is as close to 0 as possible. Okay, that's what you need to do. Number 2, if the picture below represents the pointer on a triple beam balance, would it be sensible to begin using the balance to obtain the measurement? Does that pointer right here, does this line up with your 0 mark? If we zoom in here, good Lord, no, that is not balanced. We cannot use that. Okay, they need to be perfectly in line with each other. Consider the same picture from question 2 and describe in detail how one would get the pointer to move to the 0 on the center mark. Okay, there are little weights on a triple beam balance, and those weights can be adjusted. They are like the I don't know what we call them, but I know they're weights, okay? And those weights is such a scientific way. Guys, I'm out of practice. Um, you've got to move those weights in or out, okay, to make that 0 work, okay? That's all you need to know. That's all you need to write down for 3. You need to move those weights that you're given. Number 5. Assuming that the pointers have reached the 0 mark. Okay, so we've balanced. We're balanced. We know we're good. What would the mass of an object be according to this? Okay, these movable masses. So this black mark, this black mark, this black mark, those are the masses that you're moving. So if we come back here, do you see those big things? Those slide. And that's what we're doing right here. Okay, we've slid these over. So we have our hundreds place, our tens place, and our ones place. Okay, super easy. You just have to know how to read them, and that's why I'm doing this. So, hundreds place, we've got a 4. So, for mass, you're in the 400 range. You're in 480. 480 what, Miss Rogers? 480 what? It's going to be 480 exactly. Okay, 480 grams. Do not forget your units. Units here are grams, just a little g. Okay, so 480 grams. That's how you read this. This one, how many more of these do we have? Okay, these, you're on your own. I don't want to give you too much because these are pretty simple. Remember, start with hundreds, move to tens, then move to ones. Now, on these ones, okay, these decimal points go from 0.1 to 0.9, okay? Simple. They're just each worth a 0.1 place value, okay? Do the same thing with that one. And OMG, now we're on rulers. Okay, super simple. Last page of these. So your line here is 6 centimeters. Okay, do you see this be careful here? Yes, be careful. Our units are different. So 6 centimeters is going to be your length here. Now here, oh, sorry, here, got ahead of myself. Here, we're in millimeters. Okay, so this is 10, we're counting by tens. So our line is exactly 80 80 millimeters long. That's it, okay? Again, this one millimeters, this one millimeters. Oh no, it changed. Centimeters. It's telling you to be careful. Just pay attention. And oh my goodness, you've made it through days 1 through 5. I'm so proud of you. You can take a picture of all of your work if you did this on paper, or if you did it digitally, send me an email, okay? If you took a picture of your work, snap that picture, add it to an email or a message on Schoology, and send it to me. I'm not going to worry about grades this week because we're all still trying to get, oh my Lord, we're all still trying to get caught up. But I am going to start next week putting these grades in. So if you're slacking, get on it. I'm waiting for you. Okay, I love you. Bye.